No, that.
Right.
Take it out.
Bottom first.
It's very practical and nice. Tray. Already did fries, chips, pizza, chicken, everything. I'm so happy, very happy with all the functions. You can see, you can choose here whatever you like it to do. You can see the time. Okay, chicken and chips. I'm so happy. I can tell you, yes, worth it. It's very nice. Oh, soft.
I have just cooked a rotisserie chicken in my brand new HYSapientia air fryer. I did it initially for 45 minutes as recommended on the programme at 180 degrees C, but it wasn't quite enough to get it up to the correct temperature, which should be above 74 degrees C. So I did an extra 10 minutes. This was a 1.8 kilo chicken that I tied up with string to stop it flapping about and trying to escape.
Right air fryer, highly recommended it. It's very large, so easy to do. Right on the chip setting at the moment. 10 minutes left. And it cooks chips to perfection. Chicken, beef, pork, we've done everything in it. We don't have the big oven on very often. Fantastic little thing it is.
Well, it's working well, so all good.
I think it should be.